Whether you're a seasoned rider or considering a return to the saddle, we've handpicked bikes that deliver smooth rides, easy handling, and that classic cruiser appeal. From cutting-edge features to ergonomic designs tailored for comfort on long journeys, these bikes are the perfect companions for the golden years of riding. Stick around to see which model could be your next adventure partner. In today's video, we'll talk about 10 best cruiser motorcycles for senior riders 2025. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 10. Yamaha V-Star 250. Looking for a cruiser motorcycle that offers comfort and ease for senior riders in 2024? The Yamaha V-Star 250 is the perfect choice. With a low 27-inch seat height, it's easy to mount and dismount, making it an excellent option for older riders. Its lightweight design, weighing just 324 pounds, provides excellent maneuverability, while the 249cc engine delivers smooth, reliable power for relaxed long-distance rides. The bike's easy handling and responsive controls ensure that you can enjoy a stress-free riding experience. Its comfortable, ergonomically designed seat and relaxed riding posture reduce strain on the back and wrists, making it ideal for those looking to ride for hours. Priced at around $4,500, the Yamaha V-Star 250 offers exceptional value for anyone looking to enjoy leisurely rides without compromising comfort or performance. Perfect for cruising down scenic routes, this bike is a great way to rediscover the joy of motorcycling. Number 9. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The 2024 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is an ideal cruiser for senior riders, offering a lightweight design and low maintenance requirements. Its 349cc engine delivers a smooth, balanced ride, making it accessible for those who want both power and comfort. The single-cylinder engine provides ample torque while still maintaining impressive fuel efficiency of around 70 to 75 miles per gallon, reducing the frequency of stops for refueling. Ergonomically designed controls and a comfortable low-slung seat ensure a relaxed, easy riding experience. The wide handlebars and slightly forward-set foot pegs contribute to a natural upright riding position, which reduces strain on the wrists, back, and knees, critical for older riders. The Meteor's simple mechanical setup minimizes the need for frequent service, allowing riders to focus on enjoying the road. Its smooth suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, further enhancing comfort on long rides, making it a perfect choice for senior enthusiasts seeking reliability and ease. Number 8. Honda Shadow Aero. The 2024 Honda Shadow Aero is a top choice for seniors seeking a smooth ride. Its low center of gravity ensures enhanced stability, making it easy to handle, especially for those with less experience or those looking for a more controlled ride. With adjustable handlebars, riders can customize their position for maximum comfort, reducing strain on the arms and shoulders. The bike's smooth suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, offering a comfortable experience on long rides. The quiet engine provides a relaxed, noise-free ride, allowing you to enjoy the open road in peace. With a price starting at around $7,000, the Honda Shadow Aero offers great value for its performance and reliability. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highway, this motorcycle provides the perfect balance of comfort, performance, and affordability, making it ideal for seniors who want a cruiser that delivers in every way. Number 7. BMW R18. The 2024 BMW R18 Cruiser is an ideal motorcycle for senior riders, offering a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Its adjustable seat allows for a customized riding position, ensuring optimal comfort during long rides. This feature is particularly beneficial for seniors, reducing strain on the back and legs. The R18 also features advanced vibration reduction technology, minimizing the impact of engine vibrations on the rider, which enhances overall comfort and reduces fatigue. Its low-maintenance design, coupled with a reliable, easy-to-handle 1,802cc boxer engine, offers smooth power delivery, making it user-friendly for riders with experience but looking for a less demanding ride. The bike's ergonomic features such as wide handlebars and easily reachable controls ensure that riders can operate it with ease. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the BMW R18's performance and comfort make it a top choice for senior motorcyclists seeking a reliable and enjoyable ride. Number 6. Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. The Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster is a standout cruiser that combines timeless style with modern performance, making it an ideal choice for senior riders in 2024. Its classic design, with elegant chrome accents and vintage-inspired lines, ensures a relaxed, stylish ride. The low seat height of just 27.2 inches provides easy access, ensuring comfort when mounting and dismounting. Powered by a 1,200cc parallel twin engine, it delivers 77 horsepower with smooth, manageable power for effortless cruising. The 6-speed gearbox and responsive clutch make gear shifts seamless, while the adjustable suspension ensures a smooth ride even on longer journeys. Senior riders will appreciate the low-effort controls, from the easy-to-operate throttle to the comfortable riding position that reduces strain. Priced around $13,500, the Bonneville Speedmaster offers great value for its performance and classic appeal. Whether taking short trips or long cruises, this bike offers the perfect blend of comfort and style for seasoned riders. Number 5. Suzuki Boulevard C50. Whether you're cruising the open road or navigating city streets, this bike offers comfort and control. The low seat height and easy reach to controls make it ideal for those who want a more relaxed ride. At just 552 pounds, it's lightweight compared to many cruisers, making it easier to handle at slow speeds or when stopping. The comfortable riding position and suspension system absorb bumps, reducing strain on your body, even during longer rides. Safety is a priority with features like disc brakes and anti-lock braking system, ABS, for improved stopping power. Pricing starts around $7,000, offering great value for a bike that's perfect for senior riders looking for a dependable and comfortable cruiser. Ready to take your ride to the next level? The Suzuki Boulevard C50 might just be the one. Number 4. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The 2024 Kawasaki Vulcan S Cruiser is a perfect fit for senior riders who value comfort and style. The bike offers a sleek, timeless design that appeals to those seeking a classic look. The comfortable, ergonomic seat ensures a smooth ride for long trips, reducing strain on the back and hips. Weighing just 498 pounds, its lightweight build provides excellent maneuverability, making it easier for older riders to handle. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, it delivers 61 horsepower, offering a balanced blend of power and efficiency for highway cruising. The Vulcan S comes with advanced safety features like ABS, traction control, and a smooth 6-speed transmission, ensuring confidence on the road. Its reliability, combined with an easily adjustable riding position, makes it a solid option for seniors looking to enjoy long, comfortable rides with peace of mind. Number 3. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 is a cruiser that perfectly combines style, comfort, and power, making it a top choice for senior riders. With a low seat height of 27.5 inches, it offers easy mounting and a solid footing for added confidence at stops. Powered by a smooth 1084cc twin-cylinder engine, the Rebel delivers ample torque for effortless highway cruising. Weighing in at 487 pounds, manual transmission model, it strikes a balance between stability and nimbleness, ensuring smooth handling even on winding roads. Honda has designed this bike with ergonomics in mind, featuring a relaxed riding position, cushioned seat, and a user-friendly digital display for effortless navigation. The dual-clutch automatic transmission option adds even more ease for those seeking a simpler ride. Priced around $9,499, the Rebel 1100 stands out as a reliable, stylish, and comfortable choice for senior riders seeking enjoyable and laid-back rides. Number 2. Indian Scout. The 2024 Indian Scout Cruiser motorcycle is a fantastic choice for senior riders seeking a comfortable, manageable ride. With a 1,133cc engine, the Scout delivers a smooth and easy power experience, ideal for riders who prefer a relaxed, responsive ride without overpowering acceleration. Its low 25.6-inch seat height enhances stability, making mounting, dismounting, and steady stops effortless. The Scout features a generously cushioned seat and advanced suspension system, which absorbs road imperfections to keep riders comfortable even on longer journeys. The bike's lightweight frame adds to its ease of handling, perfect for navigating city streets or winding country roads. Starting at around $13,499, the Indian Scout provides an enjoyable, worry-free riding experience that suits older riders' needs. This cruiser combines classic style with modern features, creating a blend of convenience and nostalgia ideal for those who want a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable ride. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic. The Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic Cruiser motorcycle is an ideal choice for senior riders in 2024, blending classic style with modern comfort. Designed with a lighter frame, it's easy to handle, especially at low speeds, making it less physically demanding. The bike's straightforward controls are intuitive, allowing riders to focus on the experience rather than complex operation, ideal for those looking to enjoy the ride without added strain. The Heritage Classic's ergonomically designed seat and foot positioning ensure a relaxed, upright posture that minimizes back and shoulder tension. Coupled with a well-cushioned saddle and a smooth suspension system, this cruiser absorbs road bumps effortlessly, creating a gentle ride that's easy on the body. Wind protection from its detachable windshield adds to the comfort, while spacious saddlebags provide ample storage for essentials, making it a dependable, comfortable choice for senior riders who seek the open road without sacrificing ease or relaxation. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.